The kitchen is the heart of any home, where flavors come alive and memories are made. To make every cooking session smooth, efficient, and enjoyable, you need tools that work as hard as you do. This Astercook 21-piece pots and pans set non-stick ceramic cookware set is here to revolutionize your kitchen experience. With its advanced features, detachable handles, and health-conscious design, this cookware set stands out as an indispensable ally for every chef, novice or professional. Whether you're cooking on a stove, baking in an oven, or storing leftovers in the fridge, this versatile set has you covered. Its stackable, space-saving design is perfect for modern kitchens and RVs, while its non-toxic ceramic non-stick coating ensures you cook healthier meals with ease. Let's dive deep into what makes this 21-piece set a must-have addition to your culinary arsenal. Why the Astercook 21-piece cookware set is a must-have? 1. High-performance non-stick coating. The Astercook cookware set is coated with a premium non-stick layer, ensuring food doesn't cling to the surface. This means less oil, easier cooking, and effortless cleaning. Plus, it's free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, so you can cook worry-free, knowing your meals are safe for you and your family. Number 2. Innovative removable handle design. One of the standout features of this set is the detachable handles. These handles are equipped with a secure locking mechanism, ensuring stability during use. Whether you're flipping pancakes or transferring a dish from the stove to the oven, the handle stays firmly in place. This design also makes storage incredibly convenient, especially for small kitchens or RVs where space is at a premium. 3. Stackable and space-saving. With its compact, stackable design, the Astercook cookware set is perfect for anyone looking to optimize kitchen space. The removable handles allow pots and pans to nest neatly, saving valuable cabinet or storage space. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization. 4. Versatile and compatible with all heat sources. This cookware set works seamlessly with all types of stoves, induction, gas, and ceramic hobs. It heats evenly and efficiently, ensuring your meals are cooked to perfection every time. Oven-safe and fridge-friendly, it's versatile enough to handle any cooking method you need. 5. Durable and built to last. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, the Astercook cookware set is designed to withstand the test of time. Both the pots and the removable handles undergo rigorous quality testing to ensure long-term durability. This set is an investment that will keep delivering excellent results meal after meal. What's included in the Astercook 21-piece cookware set? Here's what you get with this comprehensive set. Multiple pot and pan sizes. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or simmering, there's a pot or pan for every job. Tempered glass lids. Monitor your food as it cooks without lifting the lid, maintaining heat and flavor. Detachable handles. Easily removable for cooking, storage, and cleaning. Ceramic non-stick coating ensures hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Stackable design. Save space in your cabinets or RV kitchen. Healthier cooking made easy. The non-stick ceramic coating isn't just about convenience, it's about promoting healthier cooking habits. By reducing the need for excessive oil or butter, you can prepare wholesome meals without sacrificing flavor. And because the coating is free of harmful chemicals, you're prioritizing the well-being of your loved ones with every dish you make. User-friendly features for everyday convenience. Effortless cleaning. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier. The non-stick surface allows food residue to slide off effortlessly, while the detachable handles let you wash every nook and cranny with ease. Oven and fridge versatility. The oven-safe design up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit lets you bake and roast to your heart's content. Once cooled, these pots and pans can go straight into the fridge for storage, reducing the need for extra containers. Perfect for small spaces. If you live in a compact apartment, dorm, or RV, the Astercook cookware set is a dream come true. Its space-saving design and stackability make it an ideal choice for kitchens where every inch counts. Why choose the Astercook cookware set? There's no shortage of cookware options out there, but the Astercook 21-piece cookware set truly sets itself apart. Its unique combination of innovative design, health-conscious materials, and versatile functionality makes it an unbeatable choice for anyone who loves to cook. Final thoughts: elevate your cooking game today. The Astercook 21-piece pots and pans set is more than just cookware. It's a complete solution for your kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner, this set will make the process smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Don't wait to transform your cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.